Hi everyone, it's Shanley here. Today we're going to be working on day 12 of my December daily. For this layout, I used one of Ali Edwards' layered templates to make a collage, and we have so many different snowmen all over our property. So here's one in front of our house with the lights on in the evening, and here's one in the backyard, and here's one with coal across the road. Any opportunity we have where the snow is nice and soft and easily packed, we go ahead and make snowman. And then I typed snowman from the file here. I really like layer templates because all you have to do is just drag in your photo and add in your text. I have the photos, and now I just need 2 cards to go here. And the 2 that I chose was this Share, Give, Love, Believe, Find Peace, December Life. And I liked the dark greens and the black because it really draws in the darks and the greens from the photo. And then I have this nice wood grain, you know, being outdoors with the trees. I thought it was a nice neutral to kind of brighten things up a little bit. And then I'm going to put on the number 12. And that is pretty much it for this layout. And then when I finish this layout, most of the second half of this video will be correcting, kind of editing a layout that I did for day 7. Stay tuned for that. So let's take this out of here and we will get started. There's my day 12. I really like how it turned out. I put a little green star here to match the green text on the other side, and it just gives it a pop of color in that corner. So now that we're done day 12, I'm going to go back to day 7 and I'm going to make a few edits to this layout. This page here I absolutely love. I have the interactive pocket, the black and white journaling, beautiful pictures of the lights, and a nice family picture together. I feel like this gives a very clear picture on that day at the ski resort. To have a whole nother 2 more pages, it just seems a little excessive, and I'm really not a fan of this layout at all. I feel like it's too dark. I feel like I should have done like a collage or maybe a flip pocket. It's just too much. And the reason I'm saying all this is because I was going through my December daily, and as you know, I have little papers, post-it notes stuck in already of what's happening on every single day. And since every day I already have something on the go, I realized we bought the tree, but I don't have a layout of us decorating the tree. And I have a lot of pictures of us decorating the tree. I have 6 fun little 3x4s. And I thought this spot right here would be perfect for decorating the tree. I'm running out of space, and decorating the tree always happens early on in December. It doesn't really make sense to have this near the end of the album. So I really want to have this event closest to the front of the album as possible. And I just feel like this is the perfect plastic sheet for it because there are 4 places for 3x4s. So what we're going to do is take this out, make a flip pocket, and then this will be basically a day 7 continuation of us decorating the tree. So before I put you in fast forward, I wanted to go ahead and kind of show you a little bit of the plans that I have for this layout. So I was watching a video by Ali Edwards. She posted it a couple days ago. I think it was her stories by the month. I'll link it below, but she was talking about working with a specific shape. And when I think about decorating the tree, I think about ornaments. I think about, you know, the round shape that the ornament is. And I thought it would be kind of fun to work with circles. So I went ahead and pulled out anything that has circles. I've got a bunch of different circles here. I took out my circle cutters. I got some bigger circles here. some smaller circles, some chipboard circles. So I'm going to work with that. Also, I'm going to be working with a transparency, and I'm all out of transparencies, but I have an idea. At the dollar store for $2.50, you can get 3 laminating sheets, and I think that is such a good deal, and they're thick and they're heavyweight. And the great thing with laminating sheets is you can basically put anything you want in them. You can add glitter, you can add your photos. So this is how it comes. It opens up. So this side here is the sticky side, and this side is actually a very thick, heavy, durable plastic. And this can be hole punched. I'm gonna go ahead and trim down the center and work with this. So those are my ideas. For the flip pocket, I'm all out of flip pockets, so I'm going to take this plastic and cut on the outer edge of the line and just stick it down with tape. So I'll put you in fast forward, and I hope you enjoy following along. I'm really loving how this is coming together. I can't believe that I was able to keep all 6 photos of decorating the tree, plus the plethora of photos on the Blue Mountain Resort page. So basically what I did on one side, I mirrored on the other side. I go ahead and put out the next 4 photos, and I add a few text strips. The text strip is perfect. It says the tree is decorated and ready. And then I go ahead and add a couple small little circles just to tie in both pages together and slip it in the pockets. And I'll go ahead and put this in my album. I really love how it really spruces up both of those layouts while keeping all the photos. I'll see you next time for day 13, and I'll be working with the left side of this tag and this fun big 6x8 size. And there you have it. We're actually exactly halfway finished. And as always, if you have any suggestions on any stickers you think I should place, or what I should do differently, or what you like, I would love to hear all your feedback. I'll also leave a link to the layered templates where you can purchase these fun collages. And here is my new layout. So instead of having 1, 2, 3, 4, all those photos over here, they're now in this nice flip pocket, and there's 2 circle photos right here. And then on the other side, I have 2 more photos of decorating the tree. And this ornament right here, it was a beautiful gift from my mom. It is a 2020 ornament, so it's personalized. It has 5 different heads, one from each member of our family, Ryan and I, Jacob Riley Cole. And 2020, the 0 is the shape of a toilet paper roll, which is very 2020, and a little bottle of hand sanitizer. So I loved putting that on my tree this year. And if you've made it this far in my videos, definitely please click that like button. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.